Hey everyone, David here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Blackwire, the Poly Blackwire 5220. This is a USB headset. This is one of their more popular options for working from home. Let's see what's inside this box. Alright, so it's got a nice box along with some instructions and registration, lots of different language. I don't know about you, but I'm one of those type of people that don't really use instruction booklets unless I absolutely get stuck. But what we like doing around here is we like providing a lot of helpful setup videos and tutorials, troubleshooting videos. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get all the latest headset related content and telephone related content. All right, so this has a little cloth bag. That's nice. So if you take the headset on the go, and I like how they put this red color in the middle there. It's just one of those nice little touches that they do. And they put, of course, their little Poly logo. All right, look at that. So it looks like it has a quick start guide that you can take off easy. I always like quick start because it has pictures. Let's see if you can see it there. It has little pictures and icons, and that just makes things a lot easier for impatient people like me. All right, let's set that aside. I mean, just first thoughts, first impressions. I like the colors. It's definitely appealing to me personally. It seems like they got some unique features, like it's got this metal part here, and it's cut out there, so that saves weight, which is always good, what you want for a headset that you wear for all day use for sure. The weight of it actually feels pretty light, not lighter than some of the other headsets like the Discover D712U that I just did, and you can check out that review by clicking that card up there. I'll also put a link in the description. But overall, being what it is, it seems pretty good. This is a USB headset. Oh, I kind of like that. This microphone boom has this particular spot that it swivels in. Not all the headsets do that, so that's kind of unique. I like all the color. I definitely like the aesthetic appeal of this headset. It seems really cool. Just some of the design elements, they really thought out, like how this headset swivels here. The headband is like integrated into that speaker, so that's unique. I don't really see that. And then this cushion, depending upon the size and shape of your head, will stretch out here, so that's pretty cool. This is a USB-A headset. They do come in USB-C as well as Microsoft optimized. So if you have Microsoft Teams, there's a specific model that you can order that's optimized for that, so you don't have to download any extra software. What's also neat about the 5220 is that it has a 3.5 millimeter port, so you can plug this directly into a laptop or computer with a 3.5 millimeter port, or you can plug it into a mobile phone that still has the 3.5 millimeter port. And it's also acts as a quick disconnect, so if you have this plugged into your computer, you can leave your headset on, disconnect it really quick, go grab your cup of coffee, then come back and plug that back in, rather than having to take the headset off or unplug this from your computer. So that's always interesting. And it looks like it has a little call controller there. But overall, it has basically just the headset with a 3.5 millimeter disconnect, and it has this bag and a couple of instructions. Unboxing wired headsets, as you see here, doesn't usually take too long, not overly, not that much stuff in there. So there's the unboxing. first impressions was good, but what we're going to do next is we're going to do an in-depth review of this product along with a microphone sound test that I think you want to stay tuned for. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get that notification so you can see the next video that comes out, which will be the in-depth review of this product. So stay tuned. Thank you all for taking the time to view this video, and we'll see you next time.